highly inspired and motivated for your exams. Yeah. Okay. Right. How about decoding that clip? Rushta, I can't hear you. I think it's because.
Ma'am, you know that in the villains, there were these Avengers which were classmates, and these the villains were like they were the question paper sheet, and then there was this friend who said that I have studied everything, and then he sees the paper, and then in the video it is showing that all the villain are on him, but in real it is like he's seeing the paper and he's telling that ये तो syllabus में था ही नहीं.
That's Abdullah
Like
comedy.
Thor coming, and then this Thor coming, who is the topper of the class.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, I would not like to interrupt, but Alfia ma'am just came in before you came, and she said that in SGG class we need to arrive at 12:15 because she's gonna explain the portion which we all
Perfect.
have.
Perfect.
We already have.
No worries.
Heard.
Thank you so much. So everybody's heard this, what Ibrahim said, right? You all have to come at 12:15.
We were there, ma'am. We were there when Alfia
Okay,
ma'am
you
came.
all were there. Okay, now, okay. So who's the guy? Who's the best friend now? Okay, one of them said like ये तो syllabus में था ही नहीं. That was
Black Panther. Black Panther.
No.
Black
I mean
Panther.
from you, Mandela's. Who was that guy? Come on. The best friend, that who had studied for the exams, everything. Yeah.
Abdullah.
No, Abdullah.
Yeah.
Syllabus में था ही नहीं. That's Mohammadin Abdullah.
Yeah. Yes, yeah.
No, Yahya is the topper.
Yahya is class
He's
topper.
the head
Yahya
who
is
says
class topper.
Topper. He's the topper. He says, bring me questions. And then all the questions are like, going like destroyed, So who would be the best friend? I think it would be Ibrahim because numericals is bashing Ibrahim totally. Yeah, would that be the case? And who's Neha? Is it Amina or Rushda?
None of them. Ma'am, what is Neha?
I know.
Yeah, what's Neha?
What is Neha?
I don't know whether she's a friend or probably, it's just that they don't get along with her. So I was just wondering, was it Amina or was it Rushda? Yeah. Right, Mohammadi, I don't want you watching any other videos, Mohammadi. I'm sitting with a mobile right now and I'm just going to call your parent, okay? So, guys, yeah. How's it going? Okay, so I'm sure the best thing is having the answer screenshot, okay? And then everything is under control. So that's my motivation and inspiration for you guys for your online exams. Do well,
Ma'am, you mean you will give answer screenshot to us?
Answers are already given. You can refer to the earlier sessions. The answers are already there. Now you all you have to do is just recollect it, Munir.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So today we're going to start our session. We have been doing direct marketing, everybody. Okay, and we've learned about how to go about designing interesting flyers and leaflets and e-brochures. All right. Okay. So we've got the idea. Taking it a bit ahead, today we're going to do a new topic, but it's all interrelated. Okay. It's all interrelated with the promotions and the marketing and everything. Okay. We do market research. Okay. So when I say market research, what comes to your mind, guys? When I say market research, what comes to your mind?
Mommy, that direct marketing, telemarketing, we have to research and all that.
Okay. Yes. Ibrahim, go on.
Ma'am, materials. What materials?
Okay, I like what Rushta's put in the chat. It's like researching for marketing. I like the way she just, changed the sequence of the words. Yeah, okay, pretty good. What else? Yeah.
According to me, like in Amazon, we search for materials, like we type. So you search for markets out there, what kind of markets, and then you choose and you buy that.
Ma'am,
If you are like opening a service shop or just something in product shop, so in which marketplace you are there, you have to research on that.
Okay, excellent. Thank you, Rushta. What do people want? Yes, you have to do research on that before you're starting a new, opening a new place. Yes, Munib, even you're correct. Okay, Mandalas, are Tagore's allowed to answer or no?
Yes,
No.
they are to answer.
Oh,
No,
please, it
no.
doesn't
No,
matter
no,
whether
no,
you
no,
allow
no,
them or
no.
don't allow, they do not
Ma'am,
answer. So it's like,
ma'am, I
you
want to
know,
ask a question.
yes, tell me, go on.
Ma'am, this is for businessmen or it is for people?
Market research would be for entrepreneurs, for companies, for business people, everybody, you know, market research is something which, yes, you need to do it. Okay. Right. So, like I said, the Tagores, even if you allow them, don't worry, they will not answer. It's like it's their speciality, you know. It's like Tagore. So, you know, they have to maintain, like Tagore is like silent types, you know, those strong and silent types. Yeah. So, okay. Anybody wants to add on to it for the market research? What Munib said and what Rushta has said is very much to the point. Okay.
Ma'am,
Uh, it's the process
ma'am,
of collecting, recording, and analyzing data about customers, competitors, and your market. Okay, so it's simple. Market research is nothing but all you have to do is you're collecting the data and not just collecting it. You will have to keep maintain a record of it. That's your database, and then you will analyze the data. Okay, compile it. Okay, and why are you collecting? Who is the key person whose data you're collecting is your customers, your competitors, and the market. Okay, this is, if you've understood this, okay, the next question would be very easy for you to answer. What is the need of for market research? Yes, come on, tell me, what is the need for the market research? Why do I need to do a market research?
And if you do not
ma'am,
research,
to understand
make a
people.
better
how will you sell the
make a better
product
Ma'am,
and how will you know that the people what the people want?
Okay, so one
yes,
is,
and to understand people.
okay, so what people want, what to understand them with
to
people,
know
should
who
I
my
say?
competition is. To know
Okay,
who my
Yes,
just a
competition is.
minute. Just so rather than people, can I say customers? Because since we're doing
yes,
business studies, that would be an appropriate word. Yahya and Munir. So to
yes.
understand my customer, what my customer wants. Okay. So Abdullah is saying I need to know about the
And then to
competition. Okay. What about you, Amina? What do you think? You were saying something, and then you got interrupted by these
To
rude
make a
boys.
better product for the customers.
Oh, yes, to make a better product also. Very, very well said. Okay, so that would be your feedback. Okay, right. So, Rushda, you can unmute and say, right, it's perfectly all right. Look, if these boys are just on and on, it doesn't matter. You all have your stand and you can say it. Rushda is saying you can promote your product in a way that benefits a lot. Yes, because you'll be getting the feedback about your product. Why else do you think I need to do a market research? Yes, Tagore, you all can answer me.
Ma'am, ma'am, because we have to we have to get nicer product than our competitors.
Yes. So this is like you've summed up what Abdullah and what the girls are saying, Amina and Rushda. Okay.
ma'am, we
So,
need customer loyalty also.
oh yes, you need customer loyalty. So that means, you know, you want that your customers should stay with you rather than going anywhere else. Okay, that would be again an interesting thing. Very, very, very good. Okay. So not to take it further, I think you all have summed it up properly. So first thing is like whenever you have to introduce a new product before the product launch, it is very important you do a market survey so that the risk associated with it, risk, what would be the risk with new product launches is it might not go a success, it might fail, or maybe the customers, you know, the target audiences are not the correct people for it. So it is very important that you do a market research. Okay, secondly, it is important because you know your customers, okay, their buying habits. Okay, you see the market, what is the future trend, what is the demand in the future, whether there's going to be a demand for your product or whether it's going to be for the product of the competitor. Okay, then it also, market research is also required. Why? So it helps you in understanding the sales. Okay, the sale of the existing products. See, new products we require, but again, even you need to know whether this is a hot selling item or is it stale, as in when it is not being sold at all, you know, it's collecting dust on the shelf. Okay, and what are the market trends? Yani, that means what are the things that are in fashion right now, how it is being affected. Okay, and finally, like your customer wants, like what are the designs they like, the styles, the flavors they like, and what kind of packages attract. See, remember many times, it's an experience with my own sister. Okay, rather than going for the product, it's the packaging that used to attract her so much that she would buy it. In the end, maybe the product would be like, really not worth, but the packaging itself was so attractive, she would buy it. Any new product advertisement would be interesting on the television, and she would buy it. So these all things you need to assess. Only when you do it, it will help you in your marketing objectives. Okay, and it will help you sustain your product in the market. Okay. Right. So, okay, tone jeans, yes, Mohammadi, you can have that. So now I hope you all are clear, okay, when I talk about market research. So you understood what market research is all about, and you understood, okay, what are the needs? Why do I need a market research? I want to know how well you have understood. Okay, so for that, okay, I'm giving you a simple question. Okay, it's on your screen right now. Okay, IKEA. Okay, they've started over here also in Navi Mumbai. IKEA is one of the world's best known furniture retailers. Okay, it now has 301 stores in 37 countries, serving more than 700 million customers annually. Okay, Peter Hofstede, one of its senior managers, has researched its consumer base very carefully. Okay, and after the research, this is what points he highlighted. Okay, he has researched it. Remember, research is like collecting it, okay, then analyzing it, and then using it for your company. So what are the four highlights? First is IKEA is largely middle class. That means it caters to the middle class of the society, and the middle class is most countries is increasing. Okay, so it's not catering to the affluent class, very rich class, or the poor class, but the middle class. And in most countries, middle class is increasing. Secondly, its core customers are between 25 and 50 years old.
Ma'am, what is core?
Core, that means the main customers are 25 and the bulk, okay? The important, most main customers are the 25 and 50 years old. So first thing,
From 25 years old to 50 years old.
yes, 25 to 50 years old. Okay. Third, they are fashion conscious. All right. Though they are fashion conscious, but they want good value products. Okay. Fourth, 80% are female. I think we female love shopping, right? Okay. And we also want our homes to look beautiful. Okay. And the last one is the majority have children. Okay. So yeah, they have studied the market. They've done the segmentation. So first segmentation is done on the incomes. That means rich, poor, middle class. So the first was done on the segmentation, market segmentation. The research was done on their incomes. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Go on.
in Hyderabad, where I have been to IKEA. So, ma'am, over there, if like the parents have children, so they suggest that these beds and these furnitures would be good for
Yes.
children.
Yes. True. It's like always that's sales, that adding value.
In promotion we want like that means we want volunteers to volunteer all the children and all the customers and all.
Excellent. Yeah. Excellent. So rather than volunteers, they will be your own employees. Yeah. IKEA's employees are there who would be guiding you, or who would be, it's like, in many places you have this fashion assistants who would actually shopping assistants who will tell you like this would look good on you. So buy it from here. This would look better. It's available in that shop, and they'll take you around. So in IKEA, you'll have your own employees who will tell you like, this is good for the children, or maybe they'll take children into a play area and look after them. So first thing is it's done on the finance, the salary part. Second is done on the demographic, that is the age. Age factor. So IKEA knows that who their customers, what age. Yes, yeah.
Sometimes sometimes when we don't want that much, so the employees ask how is your house, so that we can tell you what will match with it.
Yes, perfect. They actually tell you the entire house, they'll design it for you and they'll show it also on the spot that how
Ma'am,
interesting it looks.
they also ask the price range, that what range you want the price.
Yes.
What price?
Okay. Now, third thing is here you're talking about the trends, the taste and the dislike of the customers, that they are fashion conscious, but at the same time, they're sensible enough. They want value, good value for products. Then again, it's 80% female and the majority have children. Now, my question to you all is, IKEA, you know how it is, where it stands in the market, okay? The market survey has been done, a market research has been done, and these are the main highlight points. My question to you is, can you tell me 4 benefits of market research? What are
Ma'am,
the
can I
4
say
benefits?
one?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, in the first one, it's largely middle class, and the middle class in most countries increasing. So, like it said, most countries is increasing in middle class. So more people will come.
Okay. So how will it help you?
Ma'am, can I
You
say?
are your IKEA person. How will it help you? Yes, Amina,
Ma'am,
go.
market
It will help with the price. So they will arrange the price in a way that middle class people can shop.
Thank you, Amina. Okay, yes, Ibrahim, go on.
And ma'am, it can help. Like they can know about the customers and their needs. And
Okay, but how? How will it help me?
market
Connect. See
research.
the way Amina
Connect.
connected, like because they know the middle class, so now they will make sure that their price mix in the marketing promotion, the price mix will be such that middle class can afford. Okay, so how connect that way, right? Yes.
And
Okay.
more customers would be there, so there would be more profit also.
Okay. So again, you're connecting it with the price.
Can
Okay,
I
what
say?
else? What? Yes, go on. Tell me, please.
Yes, ma'am.
This
In the
last
last
Munib. Yeah. Just wait. We listen to Munib, then I'll come to you. Yes.
these 2 points of the last 80% are female and the majority have children. So, ma'am, when we come to IKEA to buy furniture, so if like a family comes with family and children, so the IKEA customers, they know that how we have to serve and how the children will like it. So they
Okay.
accordingly give. So that is one of the benefits.
Okay. So, babe, you are saying that they would design their products, wherein, it will be aesthetically beautiful because women like, good looking things also. So, aesthetically beautiful, wherein they would buy more products and something which is more suited for the children. Are you saying that, Munib?
I'm suited for female and it is
Children.
good for children.
So which pricing mix which marketing mix will be influenced? Amina and Abdullah said price. Munib is saying product. So they will design their products, because 80% are female. So they
And
will
the
design
fourth
their
piece.
products, yes, for the children and definitely which is more attractive to the female. Okay. Yes, who
Ma'am,
else?
can I yes, say? ma'am.
Yeah, and then Ibrahim. Yes, yeah, go on.
Yes, ma'am. In the last point, the majority have children, so they have some play areas, and the children will be attracted, and they will be
Yes.
tell its parent tell her or his parents too. I want to go there.
Fantastic. Yeah. You know what happens most of the time? Children get so tired of shopping that they become very cranky. And then, half of the time, the parents don't complete their shopping and they have to rush back home. So, the majority have children is very important, like not only product, even for promotion, mix of your marketing. Why? Because here they'll have more like play areas. and they'll have things which will interest the children. So the parents can keep the children in play areas. Okay, not, I did not say dump the children. Okay, आप लोग हम पे बोझ नहीं हो, don't worry, no dumping. Okay, so keep the children in play area. Meanwhile, what can you do? The parents can shop. Yes, Mohammed, very valid point. I want you to say that out loud, please, after Ibrahim. Yes, Ibrahim, go on.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
I
I
have
was
to-
saying in the last point, the majority have children. So our family. So ma'am, when family comes, so they IKEA people or volunteers can suggest the best furnitures for family, like
Uh,
dining tables, which are big
yes,
and
excellent,
suitable.
excellent. So they can have those baby chairs also, and the chairs where the small toddlers also
Yeah,
can
and
sit.
suitable. So ma'am, I've been to an hotel. So my younger sister wasn't able to sit on the big chair, and her height was not reaching the table. So the waiter, he got a baby chair, and it was so heighted, and it was perfectly matching her.
Yeah, I also had a baby chair, okay, when Farhana was born, but then it was never used. It was more used for dumping, toys and clothes, because neither did Farhana or Abdullah Umema used it. Like at my place, they didn't use only the baby chairs. They thought they were grown adults. Okay. Now, yes, Mohammed, I want your point. Please say it loudly.
They
I
put,
also have
they
one
put
more point.
children products down the shelf so that the children can see what's good for them.
Yes, very valid point. So this is called product placement, okay? Placing the products, okay? It's like you have a different team altogether which is responsible that how the products will be placed on what shelves and what angles and the lights and everything. So this is very valid. Yes, Rushta, Humaira,
Ma'am,
Anas.
Ma'am,
we
can I
also
say one
have
more point?
sections in the shop for children, for men and women. We have
Ma'am, I
sections.
Excellent.
also have one more point.
So
Okay,
ma'am,
Can
okay.
I?
Yes, but I want Rushta and Anas to reply right now, and then we can just take more points. Yes, Rushta, Anas, what do you think? Tagores, y'all can answer as well. I'm feeling so happy that Ahmed's screen is on. Like, I can see him. The camera is on. Thank you so much, Ahmed. Imagine I'm saying a thank you actually. Okay. Yes, Rushda, Anas, anything y'all
Ma'am,
want to add on to? Come on, guys. Y'all are
ma'am,
brilliant.
Ma'am, I want to
ma'am,
say that.
in placement, so it's like that. We in the starting, if family comes, so in the right side the family shells are there, and in the left side there is only if only there one or so.
Oh.
For the single people, you mean to say?
Ma'am,
Yes.
the second point, its core customers are between 25 and 50 years old. So, ma'am, the IKEA, they will only go to they will only open big places in the, like, they will, how can I, yes. So they will only place ma'am, where the people are like young and not very old, and where they are living near the IKEA, they will go there and open shop over there.
Okay.
ma'am,
So,
I want to say something.
yes, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, 80% are female. So, ma'am, when I have been to IKEA, so there was a like trying house. So, ma'am, the house was so nice. Everything was furnished, and the placement was so good. So, ma'am, over there we could click pictures, and if our husband is not with us or our children is not with us, so, ma'am, we can send our pictures, and if they like it, then we can buy. So, it will be eye catchy also. So they can,
Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Interesting.
yeah.
Okay. So, well, anyways, good.
Ma'am, I want to say something, ma'am.
Yes,
Mostly,
Abdullah.
IKEA has very tasty food. So if you take one plate, you need to take another plate. That is from what you get profit from.
Oh my God, even at IKEA, yes, Abdullah has to talk about food, imagine furniture. But yes, this is again creating value, adding value after shopping and walking throughout, like for hours together. You do get hungry and you want food. So, yes, definitely. Why not? Okay. So, anyways, I like IKEA.
And
It's
ma'am,
good.
like we need if we don't have small things like we need to hang a purse or keys, so we don't have the like that hooks. So ma'am, over there we get small things also like that. Tiffin
Yeah,
boxes for
definitely, definitely.
offices.
Yes,
Yeah.
Mohammadi, IKEA is a Swedish company. The Dalora house, that's Dalona house. That's the horse specially. Sorry, not house, horse. Dalona house. That's a specialty out there. Okay. And yes, we all have been to IKEA, different places. I've been to the IKEA in England, and it was awesome. But I did a shortcut rather than roaming about the entire IKEA. I just had access to the directory out there and did the shopping whatever I wanted. So, anyways, we move ahead now. So, Rushta and Anas,
Ma'am,
I would like more inputs from you. Yeah, go on. Yeah, yeah, go on.
ma'am,
I don't get what you mean.
Abdullah is telling correct that because children get hungry fast,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
that's why they need food.
And especially when you have children like mine, they get hungry very fast. It's like after 1 hour of lunch, they are hungry. Okay. So, okay. Okay, now coming back to my market research, all right. So, when I'm talking about market research, remember there are two types of market research. One is primary, one is secondary. I won't go much into details about that. It's just to give you just an idea. Primary is when the company does the research themselves. Okay. That would be my primary research. Secondary research is that means some other organization has done the research and I just take the data from them. Like Health Organization, they do a research and they have their data. So in case if I want to know about malnutrition or if I need to know about maybe how for mine and something like that, I'll collect the data from World Health Organization. So same way you have many places like you have the government organizations, you have the libraries wherein the data is already existing, but that is done by the other party, not my own company. So that's the reason that's called secondary data. Primary data is wherein my own company, my own employees are hiring people to do the research. Okay. Now, when I talk about primary data, there are many types of research. When you talk about market research, there are many types of researches which are done. Okay, marketing survey is done. Okay, you have the sampling method, you have the observe and the record method. Okay, sampling is something which, if you remember Ibrahim and Yahya, if you remember, you had done that drink and you had made a video on that. The first assessment that we had done,
I'm
Ibrahim,
interview. Yeah, product on a
your
product.
grandmother and your sister you asked, remember? And I said, no, this won't come in product, that will come in promotions.
Yeah,
Remember?
ma'am.
Yeah.
I
So that
remember.
is the way you collect because you got the feedback, okay, and that is the way you collect the data. Okay. Today
So ma'am,
when
that
we
was a survey.
yeah, that was a
Interview
survey.
is like a
That
survey.
was the testing and sampling kind of survey, wherein you give
Yeah.
the people free samples, okay, let them try it out, and then they will give you their feedback. Okay.
Ma'am, in Big Bazaar also like on juices we can taste the juices and we can taste the
Yes,
food
yes,
over
yes,
there.
yes, yes, you're right. They had this different types of juices that
Yeah,
had come up.
and in Mapro also in Panchgani. So like
And
they
in
like
Starbucks also they give you a sample.
in small glasses they
Yeah,
make the
I know.
juices.
Amina is the posh one, so she'll talk about Starbucks. Ibrahim, you and I will talk about Big Bazaar only, right? Okay.
No, ma'am, Mapro is also a nice place,
Yeah,
ma'am.
I know I'm
The
joking,
juices are
Ibrahim.
so
It's all
nice.
right.
For
Yeah.
Ramadan, we get juices from there only
Yeah, true,
every
true,
time.
true, true. So, you have that wherein, so that is okay. But today, the market survey that we are going to talk about is because this is going to be in your examinations, in your assessment, it's nothing but your questionnaire. Okay. So, remember, you have a list of questions. Okay. And wherein you're asked to fill that up. Okay. And after you fill that up, okay, this is the way the data is collected. Got it? So, questionnaire wherein you'll be having a list of questions related to your product or maybe the new product you're coming up, or maybe you just want to get a feedback about how they like it or the price, whatever. It will be a list of questions. It could be a e-questionnaire wherein you're sending on the internet, or it could be maybe in on the paper. Okay, any kind of questionnaire, it could be there where you'll be sending it to a group of people. Okay, you'll be taking the many times at the malls when you go, you know, you have these people and they ask you, can you just fill this up? Or maybe when you eat in a restaurant, okay, and after that they give you, especially Barbecue Nation, they always give you a questionnaire, feedback form, right? And where you're filling the things up, okay. This is again a market survey. Here they are researching to know how did you like the product, what things you didn't like about it, what were the main highlights of the product.
Then
Yes.
also, if we in Grand Central also, when we do shopping now, so they come and tell, give us the review. And when in the escalators, before escalators, there's special means something like board. So in that there is emojis for angry, sad, medium, happy, and very happy. So
Yeah.
Like,
so that
ma'am,
we can
he's trying to say that when we get down from from the ground floor to LG, so there is like there's a
Yes, yes,
button. So
yes.
you liked it or you didn't like it or you're angry, sad.
So again,
So
that's
that,
what. That's nothing but a market survey that you're doing.
yeah,
Okay. So now remember one
ma'am,
thing. Yes.
ma'am,
sometimes
in
in
yeah. Go on, I'll see you after you.
sometimes in online games and all, so there also it comes raters and all.
Right. So in games also, it has to be online games with you guys, right? You'll have to give an example of that. Okay. So cool. You know,
Ma'am, in when I went to an ice cream shop, so like I bought an ice cream and I really
what?
liked it. So, ma'am, after that they gave their like small cooled waffles, ma'am. They were so tasty.
Oh wow. You know,
They
actually, you
gave
know
it
what,
for
Ibrahim?
free.
It's
In
bought.
Pani Puri
I
also.
bought ice cream, but you know, Ibrahim, rather than the ice cream you buy, the freebies which you get with it are always much more tastier. You know, what your free
Yeah,
milta,
ma'am.
we Indians love free stuff. Okay. Anyways, coming
In
back to
pani
the
puri they gave in the last aloo puri,
Yes, masala puri.
yes,
Masala
yes.
puri.
Okay,
masala
okay,
puri.
okay, okay. Foodies, come back, come back. We are into market survey, guys.
Ma'am, I
So
don't
question
like
is
pani puri, but one time I ate with my mom
okay,
outside. I
and
enjoyed it, but it
great.
was so taste.
No,
Sorry,
but
spicy.
you have to tell them to give you less spicy water and more meetha pani. Anyways,
Ma'am,
can
I
we just
told
start?
him, he did not listen.
I always took meetha pani. It is very tasty.
Yes, Abdullah, I know that.
Every
Can we?
medium
Okay,
and
this is what
sometimes taste.
happens. You know,
I told
we
him medium, but he made it so spicy, just
he
like
didn't
with my
like you,
mother.
Ibrahim. That's why he made it spicy. Is it that? Or maybe he said he's such a white guy. You know, if he's spicy, he'll become all red. So I want to see him getting red. Okay, cut it. No more pani puris, no more bhel puris, no more sev puris. We're coming back to the topic at hand. Okay. And what's the topic? Questionnaires. Okay. So how am I going to design my questionnaires, guys? Remember, your questionnaires, you cannot make them like, you know, 4 or 5 pages. Who's going to read those questionnaires? Always you remember your questionnaires have to be interesting and easy. Okay. The first thing is, okay, right. In the questionnaire, there are two types of questions. One is an open question and one is a closed question. Yes, I know, Yahya. Excellent. You know, I when I saw this picture, I was like, this is my so Abdullah. Okay. This is for your exam. So remember this, you're going to get marks for this. Okay. So there are two types of questions, open question and a closed question. When I say open question means you leave the answers on the customer, whoever's filling the question, okay, questionnaire, you leave the answers on them. They can write 2 sentences, they can write 1 word, they can write 3 sentences, right? So like, for example, when you ask, how was your, like suppose for a hotel guy, you know, how was your stay with Karma Hotels? So here they've left it as open. Now, if somebody like me is there, I can write 3, 4 sentences. But instead of me, it's my husband, he'll just write 1 word or 2 words. So those are your open questions. What are your closed questions? Closed questions are wherein your answers are very restricted. It's either a yes or a no or a 5-star rating or a 4-star rating or 1 word. Okay. So open questions are okay. Usually you end your questionnaire with an open question, but open questions will not give you proper analyze, will not help you analyze your customers properly. Okay. But closed questions will let you do it. Okay.
Ma'am,
Secondly, yes, yeah, yeah.
ma'am, sometimes writing like if doctor writes something, so we cannot understand only.
That's good.
Exactly.
That's very good.
Ma'am, in restaurants when they give the bill book, so ma'am, inside that there is a paper also that how which food did you like and what did
Yeah,
you like about
right. So that is
what
your
to
closed
dislike.
question. So that what will happen, that people at the restaurant will know which is my hot selling dish and which of the dishes I need to remove from the menu because it's not helping me. Okay. Secondly,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
shouldn't be boring. Your questionnaire shouldn't be so long and so boring that a person gets so like, oh no, I don't want to go ahead. Okay. So remember that no boring questions should be focused to your product. Okay. Make sure they are clear and unambiguous. That means there's not much of confusion, that he shouldn't read and wonder, acha, what is this? Samajh mein nahi aaya. Okay. Like, ye to syllabus mein tha hi nahi, that types. Okay. So remember, your questions have to be focused. Your questions have to follow a sequence, a logical sequence, one after the other. You cannot have the name of the person on the top, and after 5, 6 questions, you'll say, okay, give me your email address and your contact details. No, your name, contact details, email address will come in one section. If you want to ask about age, okay, and whether it's a female or a male, it will come in a common section. Okay. And if you want to know about their salary and where they're working, again, it will come in one section. So remember, it should be a logical sequence. You cannot have one question from one particular area in, coming beginning and then in the last. No. And your questionnaire should be in a language which is understood by the people out there, right? Now, suppose in France, okay, they don't use English, they use French very common. Okay, even the stations and even the
But
malls,
French
everything
and
is
English.
it's
No, but
written in
French.
French. So there, rather than having a questionnaire in English, you would have it in French. Okay. So remember, this is what your questionnaire should be. It should have both the questions open and closed. It should be focused, clear, unambiguous. The sequence, logical sequence should be in order and well understood language. I'll give you an example of a questionnaire. Okay. This is a questionnaire for all petrol customers, whoever is coming to fill over there the petrol. If you see, it's in a very nice order. You have your name, you have your address, okay, then you have the make and the model of the car. Even that is important because it's related to petrol. Okay, do you buy petrol often? Okay, now who buys the petrol, whether you or your wife? How much petrol do you buy? Do you always buy petrol at metro station? Metro station is the name of the place. Just the way we have Bharat Petroleum and HP and Reliance. Okay, they have metro stations. Okay. If not, then where else do you buy petrol? Okay. Then why do you choose petrol? Now, why do you choose petrol? What? This is an open question. Okay. Why did you choose our petrol station to buy petrol? This is what? A open question. Okay. Right. Now, remember, over here, it's a mixture of open and closed questions, a short question and not too long so that they don't get bored. Okay. When you have this kind of question, it is very easy for you. Very, very easy for you. Yes. You just say me, right? Not your wife and your husband. Okay. To know whether people are buying petrol from metro stations. Okay. And if not, then if they are buying from some other, so you come to know who your competitors are. The more they say Bharat Petroleum, that much, that would you know that these people are my staunch competitors. How much petrol do you buy? This will allow you to understand what is their buying capacity and whether to do it often. So this will make you understand their consumption of the petrol.
Ma'am, I have to ask a question.
Yeah, go on, yeah.
Ma'am, when we have to give this questionnaire paper, do we have to give this
No, I
when
will
they
give you the
first come?
question paper next week. I will talk. See, this is not, I'm not talking about the exams today. The exams, I'll tell you all the assessment the next week. Okay, because this is a combined session. So Tagores will be having a different assessment. You all will be having a different assessment. This is, I'm just giving you a sample of questionnaire. My question my exam essay, the assessment paper, I have not given you yet. You'll be getting it when the exams are on. Okay. Now, once they collect the data, what do? See, they've collected the data. After that, okay, this is a question and they fill it up and everything. After that, what do? They depict the data either in a pie chart or they do it in a bar graph. It depends on them. They will depict it either in a pie chart or in a bar graph format. Okay. So I'm sure you all know how we work around with a pie chart or a bar graph. Okay. Now here is another example which we are taking. This is an example of a US owned food exporting business plans to enter the market in Trinidad and Tobago, TNT, for the first time. Remember, first time, okay? The directors have yet to decide whether to sell high or low price products and what type of shop they should sell through. The marketing manager obtained the following data. Okay, so now the US company wants to start their food exporting. Okay, they want to send it over here to Trinidad and Tobago. Before they enter the market, they do a market research, they get the data, the questionnaires are filled, and whatever sources they've applied, okay, secondary, primary, everything. And this is the result of their research. Now, looking at this, what would you advise the US company? What should they go for? Okay. If you see my pie chart, supermarket are 61% over there. Others are 39%. Now, in that others, I have food, drink, tobacco specialists who are 21%. Small independents. Small independents, that means, you know, those kirana shops, they are 15%. And other retailers are 3%. Okay. So whatever data you collected in your market research is presented in this format for you to take a decision. So just let me know what, okay, it's already 11:47. Okay, just quick one. When if you get a data like this, okay, this is what has been presented to you. What would you suggest to the US food company? Where should they open their market? Go on. What do you suggest?
Supermarket.
Supermarket.
Okay. Supermarket. Okay. Anybody else? Any other answer?
Supermarket, ma'am.
Yes, Rushda, Anas. What about you guys?
Ma'am, they should open in both, so that means like one in supermarket and one in other, because
No, others, there are
some
other bifurcation. So others, you have to either select food, drink, and tobacco, or small independents, or other retailers. So, okay, supermarket. I like the spelling. Okay, supermarket. And should they go for high-end products or low price products? If they are going for supermarket, it should be high-end products or high
It should
price
be a
products.
middle class product.
Thank you, Amina. True, supermarkets will always have, you know, middle price range products. If they want to go for high price products, then they can go in for this 21% out here, which is food, drink, tobacco specialist. Okay, or they can go for small independents. So thank you very much. Okay, this is where we end the session. We'll continue with our session Mandalas the next week. Okay, and we'll take it further about how your assessments are going to be and what are the topics in your assessment. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. And Tagore's, I have already posted your study material for your assessment in the Tagore classroom. You can have a look in there. Till then, take care.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
ma'am.
See you all tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am. See you all.